When it comes to choosing the perfect vehicle for your everyday needs, safety, comfort, practicality, and durability are key factors to consider. We will also explore the practicality and durability of different vehicles, so you can make an informed decision when it comes to your next car purchase. Whether you're in the market for a family car or a reliable daily commuter, these are the features you won't want to overlook. Safety and comfort features. When it comes to choosing the perfect stroller for your baby, safety and comfort are two of the most essential features to consider. As a parent, it is important to ensure that your baby is secure and cozy while out and about. With so many stroller options available on the market, it can be overwhelming to know which features to prioritize. Here are some essential tips and features to consider when selecting a stroller with safety and comfort in mind. First and foremost, look for a stroller with a sturdy and reliable 5-point harness system. This will ensure that your baby is securely strapped into the stroller, minimizing the risk of any accidents or falls. Additionally, a spacious and well-padded reclining seat will provide optimal comfort for your baby, especially during long outings or nap times on the go. Another important safety feature to look for is a large and adjustable canopy that provides ample shade and protection from the sun. This will help shield your baby from harmful UV rays and keep them cool and comfortable. Additionally, a stroller with all-wheel suspension and locking front swivel wheels will ensure a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven or bumpy terrain. Practicality and durability. As a parent, finding the perfect stroller for my baby was a challenging task. I wanted something that was not only practical and durable, but also comfortable and safe for my little one. After extensive research and testing, I finally found the stroller that met all my criteria. Here are some essential tips and features to consider when choosing the perfect stroller for your baby, focusing on practicality and durability. When it comes to practicality, it's important to choose a stroller that fits your lifestyle. Consider the type of terrain you'll be navigating, the storage space you'll need, and how easy it is to fold and unfold the stroller. Look for features such as adjustable handles, a large canopy for sun protection, and ample storage for all your baby essentials. These practical features will make your daily outings with your baby much more convenient and enjoyable. Durability is another key factor to consider when choosing a stroller. You want a stroller that can withstand daily use and last for the long haul. Look for a sturdy frame, high-quality wheels, and durable fabric that can withstand wear and tear. It's also worth considering a stroller that can be converted into a double stroller if you plan on having more children in the future. Investing in a durable stroller will ensure that you can use it for years to come without having to worry about it falling apart. In addition to practicality and durability, safety is paramount when choosing a stroller for your baby. Look for features such as a 5-point harness, sturdy brakes, and a secure seat that can't easily be tipped over. Always test the stroller in person to ensure that it meets all safety standards and provides a comfortable and secure ride for your little one. By prioritizing these essential tips and features, you can choose the perfect stroller that offers both practicality and durability for you and your baby.